Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. If you are a teacher or a student or a research scholar struggling to make a presentations, so here is a best solution to make presentation using AI tool. So it will generate a better presentation content by just giving you a topic. By just giving an input prompt, it will generate a better PPT for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will generate that PPT. We will check out with different prompts by giving different research paper title, and we will giving different topics. So let us see how it will generate a better PPT for us. Before going to today's video, so on behalf of our channel, we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing. And also we are going to discuss about different types of research prompts, especially ChatGPT prompts, to make a better content for our research paper. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you are interested in designing EV charging stations using PV and wind energy sources, so here is a best option. It's a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. In this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy sources with different MPPT algorithms to extract maximum power from that renewable energy sources. And also we are going to incorporate an EV charging station using this PV and wind energy sources. This MATLAB workshop will give a step-by-step procedure to install a EV charging station and design EV charging station in MATLAB. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So surely I am assured that you will surely get a better idea about how to model EV charging station using MATLAB. So here is an opportunity to learn basics on MATLAB. So the workshop on comprehensive MATLAB workshop on basics to advanced application. So this workshop is to familiarize you all with different basics in MATLAB. So especially the toolbox available in the Simulink and the MATLAB environment, and how to make 3D and 2D plotting in MATLAB. So neural network toolbox, fuzzy logic toolbox, sandwich toolbox, so different toolbox available, and how to make a controller tuning. So these are the important basic things we are going to discuss in MATLAB. Surely this workshop will bring an hour about what are the important things in MATLAB and you can do with MATLAB. So if you want to learn MATLAB basics, so don't forget to register this online workshop. Surely this workshop will help you to make a better understanding about MATLAB basics. So thereby you can use that MATLAB basics in your application. So don't forget to register this workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So see you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is this presentations AI. So here you can see this is presentation. So idea to deck, prompt with an idea, generate a storyline, convert to deck. So this is all about this presentation. In this you can give an input prompt. For example, I am going to give grid connected solar PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So this is the title I am going to give. So say it as a research paper title. So and click on submit. So here you can see these are the documents it has to be filled. So here you can see. So these are the different options available: analysis, announcement, annual report, article, blog post, case study, competitive analysis, consulting report, next customer chat and support transcript, data sheet, ebook, employee spotlight, employee testimonials, financial report, industry report, interview, job listings, legal document, manual, meeting transcript, and then memes, memo, news update, news article, pitch plan, podcast transcript, press release, product overview, product roadmap, product update, proposal, report, resume, social media post, social media story, speech transcript, story, testimonials and reviews. Oh my god, so it's go on very big. So different categories are available: thought leadership article, tutorial, video transcript, webinar, white paper, SEC filling. So these are the different options available. So here you can see. So for example, say as we are going with our academic purpose, so I am going to give it as a here I am going to give it as a consulting report. So after that, so you can give randomly whatever you want. So author name, so I am going to give it as a LMS. So after that, what you can do is generate presentation, presented to enter name or email ID. So I am going to give as LMS. So I am going to give a email ID. After giving all details, so you can click on generate presentation. So here you can see, so this is the title, so this is the outline. So here you can enter your points if you want to add, or you can add sub points also. So thereby it will create content. So or else you can just give continue. So if you want to add, you can give that is you give input. So accordingly it will generate content. So it will gather all the information and it will generate a content for you. So if you want to customize, you can add in that option, or else you can just click continue. So here you can see our presentation is generated. Grid connected solar PV system for electric vehicle charging station, as we have given as a consulting report. So it is generated accordingly. So I randomly selected consulting report. You can select any categories you want. There are more than 50 categories are available. So after that, you can give the second slide. So here you can see these are the advantages of a grid connected solar PV system or EV charging station. So here you can see sustainable and clean energy, lower operating cost, improved grid stability. So next, third one. So importance of renewable energy for electric vehicles. So here you can see reduced environmental impact, energy security, sustainability. So this is formed like a tree. So next, you can give working principle of a grid connected system. So here you can see the three different categories. Solar panels generate electricity, inverters convert AC to DC. Next, grid connected and metering. Next, you can see capture a unique key point. So if you want, you can customize this point also. So by giving this point, it will generate content. So here you can see the benefits of a grid connected system. Reduce the carbon footprint, cost saving, renewable energy source as your input source. So next, overview of electric vehicle charging station. So here you can see this is the types of charging station: level 1, level 2, DC fast charging station. So standard household outlets, this one is dedicated charging units with high power, DC fast charging, high power charging station for rapid charging. So like that. So next one is that here you can see the components. So solar PV panel, inverter and a bidirectional meter. Next one is challenges and solutions. So these are the challenges and solution. This is very attractive one. So interdependent nature of solar power, grid integration and synchronization, cost and financing. So next one, definition of grid connected solar PV system, purpose of EV charging, objective of presentation. Next, you can see the case study, EV charging station, ABC charging network. So like that it will be having case study. So here this is all about the end slide, that is join the solar revolution. So this is how your PPT will be generated. So here you can use this option to download your PPT, but it will generate only up to 10 slides. So you can make use of this option to if you want 10 slides, you can make use of this option. So if you want more, you have to go for subscription option. So I will show the subscription option also. So this is the upgrade to Pro option. So here you can see access 10x more AI credits at your disposal. So you can export it as a PDF, export it as a PowerPoint, or you can get premium templates. So this is the amount you have to pay per year. So if you are interested in, you can go for subscription option, or else you can use this 10 free templates to generate a better content for you. So you can copy and paste that contents in your slides, so thereby it will give you a better attraction. So the only thing in this presentation AI is that the content, the slides design is very unique, and the content generated is also very good. So you can just cut and paste that particular contents or pictures available. So thereby it will give you a better better attraction to your slide. So if you are interested in, so you can go on and explore this presentation AI to generate a better content. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.